Mapsa Municipal Council has started with its pre-monsoon works in right earnest. So we have started with desilting of all the gutters which are in municipal jurisdiction. So we have employed our own workers. We are doing the work departmentally, and 4 teams have been constituted which are working across Mapsa. Now that will take care of the municipal gutters. Now municipal gutters drain out the water into nalas. The nalas come under WRD, and nalas have to be desilted by WRD. So if you see in the last couple of years or so, WRD has not done much of work when it came to desilting of nalas in Mapsa. They have done, but what they have done is you can say a piecemeal approach sort of. So what happens is that when we desilt our drains and the water flows into the nalas are unable to carry that much volume of water because they are already heavily silted. So that silt has to be removed. We have to do desilting. So we have written regularly to WRD. This time what we did was we wrote to the district collector requesting her to issue directions under section 33 of the Disaster Management Act to WRD to undertake desilting of the nalas. The major nala, the main nala is from Kolli, which originates in Kolli, and from Kolli it comes along the KTC bus stand and finally it drains out into the Mapsa river over here. So that nala has to be desilted, and that has to be done before the onset of the monsoons. So when we wrote to the collector on 8th of April, we requested her to issue the directions to WRD because we have written in the past and then it was not done. So unless the high authority issues them some direction, the things will not move. So Madam has issued an order today directing the WRD to undertake this work. Also what has happened is that Mapsa river, it drains out all the water, rainwater which finds its way in Mapsa. So all the gutters and nalas finally will drain out into Mapsa river. Now Mapsa river, what has happened is that somewhere further away you can see there has been some dumping which has taken place. Some illegal dumping has taken place. Some debris were dumped. So earlier we had brought this to notice of the deputy collector, and also the chairperson had returned to the district collector, and then some procedure had started, but that debris which are there, those debris are still lying over there. So unless those debris are cleared off before the monsoons, then we'll be facing a severe problem. We could even face a problem of flooding in Gausawad. So along with the desilting of the major nala from Kolli to Mapsa river and other major nalas which are there, which come under WRD, we also requested that this work, the clearing of debris, should be also done on priority before the onset of the monsoons. And the dumping has taken place along the river bank, which has reduced the weight to some extent, and the volume of water being the same, and the channel, navigable channel, which may be less reduced, and because of siltation and because of this dumping of debris, will create problems for us. Okay. One of the major reasons why there is stagnation in the river, Mapsa river, is because you have, you can see straight, if you go along a little further, you'll be able to see there's a box type, there is a piped culvert over there. So these pipes have got silted. Lot of silt has accumulated at the base, and that is why the water is unable to flow. So that those pipes, we had proposed to PWD earlier that they should replace that piped culvert with a box type culvert, which will allow for the free flow of water. Once the water flow is restored, you won't have problems over here. There won't be stagnation. Even what happens actually during rains, I'll tell you. When it rains heavily, this river is subject to tides. So when you have high tide setting in, water is unable to flow out. This water, the nala which is there behind KTC bus stand, that also gets filled up. The water doesn't move because that water drains out in this river. So the water doesn't move. It remains stagnant there till the rainfall slows down, the end of the day, or after some hours, whatever, when it rains very heavily. The result is that our municipal gutters which are in the market, the water doesn't flow because the water level in the gutters and the nala remains at the same level, and that's why the market experiences some flooding. So if the river gets cleared over here, the nala water will flow freely, the municipal gutters will drain out easily. So now I'm told that when the highway work is being undertaken. We'll replace the piped culvert with a box type culvert. A bridge will be coming up. So that will solve our problems once and for all. Right now, what we need is dredging and desilting of the river bank and the nalas.